minus I, minus I. Ganga, competition. Nice, no? Online, you are listening with this much focus means definitely you reach your dream. That girl don't know before class. She don't know before class. So today concept is very much valued. What if you learn all these topics by the end of the class? Good, 4 of you. Very good, super. Come on, give me a big high five. Who and all able to do these questions? 1, 2, 3, start high five. Very good. Hey all, welcome to Komli Mom online classes. Happy morning all of you. Happy morning. Whatever the topic I'm going to teach you today, it plays a most important role. It is the connection of the entire genome. Whatever you studied, inductive effect, mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation, till now what you have studied, all this connection, with that we are going to solve the questions today. And before solving questions, I'll teach you how to approach, how to solve the, understand the concept, and then how to start solving. Ganga, every day because she'll raise a hand. So Ganga, unmute. Hi Ganga, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am.
Yeah, happy morning. Can you try first question, which is more acidic?
More acidic.
You know or you don't know?
I don't know, ma'am.
Very good. Ganga don't know. Fine. Page number 3, third student. 1, 2, 3. Ananya. Hi Ananya. Good morning. Ananya, do you know this first question or not? Don't know. Okay. Ananya don't know this question. Okay. Next. Page number. Okay. Let's take page number 4, fifth student. 1 second. 1. Remember these names. Again, I'm going to ask them at the end of the class. 1, 2, 3, 4. The page 5th student is Maimuna Said. Hi Maimuna.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you try 5th question?
You mean acidic nature, ma'am?
1 second. Yeah, 7th question. Acidic nature.
No, ma'am.
Don't know. Okay, fine. So most of them, correct? Don't know. So today concept is very much valuable. Correct? Okay. What if you learn all these topics by the end of the class? Will you be happy? Will you be happy? Sure. To start that, I need some energy from you. To start that, as a teacher, I need energy. Come on. Still I want energy. I want my screen to be colorful. Everybody on your cameras? Okay. Ready means I want this that sign. Muscle sign will be there, no? In chat, that reaction. You have that? Ready? Very good.
Here, ma'am continues explaining the topic, and this section lasts for about 30 to 40 minutes.
Decreases. Okay, good. So what is the correct order? And that too, we have discussed one exception. Even aromatic carboxylic acids are stronger than the aliphatic. Even methanoic acid exception, formic acid. Formic acid even stronger than the aromatic acid also. Okay, so what is the order now? Gokul?
First structure, second, third, fourth.
Okay, done. Right. Now Gokul,
Yes, sir.
tell me, in this CH3 is there. Cl group is what type of group? Minus I or plus I?
1 plus I.
Chlorine is releasing group or withdrawing group?
Withdrawing.
Then plus I or minus I?
Plus I.
Array. Okay. I understand your condition. All of you. One time we will see all the effects what you studied till now. Okay, wow. Is it okay? I don't want any mistake to happen. 2 days before class, 1 day before class, sum up entire class in 2 minutes. With the techniques. Okay, well, let us see those tricks. Suppose, ma'am, I forgot, ma'am, or I did not attend class only, ma'am. No worries, we will see one time. Let's see the tricks. How to identify plus I groups just by saying, let's say, for example, you don't know what is inductive effect only. You don't know that entire class you missed. You don't know anything. Then how to solve the question? Any alkyl group is plus I. CH3, CH2, CH3, C2H5, any alkyl group. Like CH2, CH3, okay? If the group is having negative charge, it is plus I. Negative charge on the top of it, okay? Let's say the group is having some negative charge on top of it, plus I. Everybody clear? Crystal clear? Okay, tell me about minus I, how to identify it just by seeing. Electronegative atoms. Gokul, correct? Electronegative atoms. What are electronegative atoms? Tell me. Nitrogen, okay? Oxygen, any connection, fluorine, chlorine, all these are electronegative atoms. If they understand the difference. This is O power minus. This is just a bond I'm writing, means connection. With something it is connecting. I'm not writing minus it is. Okay, like any carbonyl group. Let's say, for example, COOH is an acid or not? Carbonyl group is there, minus I. Okay, CN is a minus I. Anything which is starting with nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, carbonyl group are minus I groups. Repetition important. Minus I groups, immediately I want answer. I don't want you to stuck it somewhere. Repeat. Nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine or COOH, CN groups. These are minus I groups. Okay, fine. Next, mesomeric effect. Plus M. How to identify plus M groups? How to identify plus M groups? The compounds which are having lone pair of electrons, lone pairs, they are plus M. What is exception? You remembered? Exception, halogens are the exceptions. Halogens are the exceptions. The compounds which are having lone pairs, the compounds which are having a lone pairs are plus M groups. Exception is halogens. So I will write some questions here. For example, NH2 plus M or not? Plus M. Next OH plus M or not? Plus M. Okay, but halogens are negligible mesomeric effect even though they have the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. They don't show mesomeric effect. Negligible. Next, minus M. Electronegative atoms, same minus I groups come here. Same minus I examples. Copy this and one time I will repolish again. We will begin the questions. Ready na? Hey, ready na? Interesting means, I will ask you 1 second, wait. Interesting means one minute. Let me finish. Again, screen will go. 1 minute. Sujitra, any doubt? Raise a hand. Sujitra, doubt? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. By mistake, raise a hand.
No, ma'am. Answer the question.
You want to answer the question? Okay, fine. Still, I didn't show you the question, no? Okay. Ready now? You want to say ready? Okay, fine. Very good. Everybody, repeat the plus I groups. All alkyl groups. Ma'am, all alkyl groups are plus I groups. All alkyl groups are plus I groups. Okay. Examples, can you repeat? CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, like O minus, CO minus, NH minus. All minus I, minus M together only. Same examples. All electronegative atoms. Nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, carbonyl group, carboxylic acids, nitro groups, CN groups, all are minus I as well as minus M. Here the controversy, remember, plus M is the most dangerous. What is plus M? Electron releasing groups. What are those? Lone pair having compounds are plus M. Exception halogens. Ma'am, what is the controversy, ma'am? See here. Controversy is always between mesomeric and inductive. What is the controversy? Here nitrogen is having a lone pair plus M. But according to the inductive effect, it is electronegative atom minus I. So let's say NH2 group is having a lone pair, so it is a plus M group. But according to the inductive effect, it is an electronegative atom. It is a minus I. So mesomeric effect says it is a releasing group. Inductive effect says it is an electron withdrawing group. It is releasing na, withdrawing na. This is the controversy. So whenever you have this controversy, plus M, minus I. Plus M is always dominating than the minus I. Repeat everybody. Plus M is always dominating than the minus I. Again one more time. Right there. That point you write one corner. Plus M effect is always dominating than the minus I. We already discussed all this. 3 days class I discussed in 3 minutes. Plus M is always dominating than the minus I. Next point. Second point you write some additional point. Mesomeric effect and hyperconjugation operates only at ortho and para. Hyperconjugation, mesomeric effect and hyperconjugation operates only at ortho and para. What do you say? Okay, done? Ortho and para. Fine. Here one thing you write. Hyperconjugation also you write. How to identify? Always hyperconjugation means positive hyperconjugation only. Negative you don't have in syllabus. What are the conditions we discussed? Carbocation next to carbon should be sp3 carbon. It should have one hydrogen, correct? Or carbocation next to carbon, alkenes next to carbon should be sp3 carbon. Like this. Already we discussed. Simply I am discussing one more time. Free radical next to carbon is sp3 carbon. Write it.
And here, Mem continues teaching the concept in detail.
Ortho effect. Coming another 30 to 40 minutes is like very, very important. But before going to start that, I want every one of you stand up in your place. I want every one of you stand up in your place. Stand up. Come on, get up. Stand. Exactly 1.5 hour class you listened. I'm very much appreciating your efforts. Very good. Very good. You are the best students. You are the best. That's why with 1.5 hour focus you listen the class. That too in online. Online, you are listening with this much focus means definitely you reach your dream. Capacity and capability you people have, very good, but your body also need to sit this much long, right? Okay, so what you have to do, you should help yourself. How to help yourself? Come on, take these two hands like this, fold your fingers, just keep it top, stretch one time back and come forward, go down. Back of me chair is there, I can't go. You just go down and touch your knees. Okay, go down, just touch your knees 3 times. Again, one more time. Touch your knees. One more time. Netrashri, sitting and enjoying. Breakfast cut for you. I will call your mom and say, come on, get up. Another time. Very good. Very good. Super. Now, what you do is, take your left hand, hold your right ear, take Ganga Devi, do Nana. Take your left hand, hold your right ear, take your right hand, hold your left ear. 20 sit-ups, fatafat faster. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4. Smile and do. 5. Udita Mishra. Smile and do. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. What you do is, now time is 7:43 morning session. Take a short 5-minute break.
5 minutes later.
Increases the acidic strength.
And here, Mem continues teaching the concept in detail.
Ganga. OH. Plus aina, minus aina.
Minus sign, ma'am.
Minus I. Okay. Because electronegative atom. Plus M or minus M?
Plus M or minus. Ma'am, more thousands, no? Minus M, ma'am.
Tendril, 11th student.
Ma'am,
Plus M or... Huh?
plus M minus I guess, ma'am.
Very good. Why plus M?
It is lone pass, so plus M, and no electronegative minus I.
Super. OCH3.
Lone.
Plus M or minus M, Ganga?
Plus M, ma'am.
Okay. Plus I or minus I?
Don't
Tendril.
believe.
Minus I, ma'am.
Minus I. Super. Okay. Now, in this plus M and minus I, which is an, what to say?
Inductive is dominating, ma'am.
Hey, which effect, Ganga? Which effect is dominating?
Resonance.
Mesomeric effect. Always mesomeric effect dominate. Correct, no?
Right, ma'am.
So, it is these two are electron releasing only. You decided both are electron releasing. So, you cannot say based on that. Correct? Both are electron.
From here, Ma'am continues teaching and guiding the students.
Okay. Open your mind-storming questions. See the first question. Tendril.
Ma'am,
Tell me, NO2 is which group?
NO2 is minus M and minus I.
Minus A. Okay. This NO2 is which group?
It is meta position and minus and minus I.
One second. Tendril, you stop. Ganga, say NO2 is which group?
Minus I, ma'am.
Why not minus M?
Because NO2 is not.
Tendril,
minus
why not
plus.
minus M?
Ma'am, it is minus M, ma'am, because oxygen needs an electron trans, so
Okay, but meta position, everybody, most important.
meta position resonance will not.
Yes, at meta position, mesomeric effect and hyperconjugation don't operate. This is one of the rule. In its structure, it don't operate. Okay, keep this point in your mind. Okay, next question. What is this? Minus M?
Yes, ma'am. Minus M and minus I, both will.
Okay, minus M, minus I. Okay, fine. Then COH is, okay. In this 4, which one is more acidic in nature? Obviously, first
One, ma'am.
ortho effect. Ortho effect is more acidic in among everyone. Fine. Next one.
3, ma'am.
3. Why 3? Why not 2?
Ma'am, in para position, that minus M will be more effective, so.
Very good. See here. Actually, NO2 is closer to the COH, but it is far. So, closer one should be more acidic usually, everybody. Yes, no? It is closer, it should be more acidic. But even though it is closer, only one effect is operating. Even though it is far, there are two effects are operating. Because of these two effects, which is more, acidic in character. Third structure is more acidic than the second structure. Last one is
Fourth, ma'am.
fourth one. Very good. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Who will try?
Ma'am, I will try.
Okay. Tell me, chlorine is which group?
Plus I, ma'am.
Tendril, which? Chlorine is what group?
Minus I, ma'am.
Very good. Minus I. Okay. This chlorine.
Minus I, ma'am. All are minus I, ma'am.
Very good. Minus I, minus I, minus I. Ganga, competition. Nice, no? Today? Interesting. Okay. Okay. Because that girl don't know before class. She don't know before class. She had not started these concepts. Tell me, Tendril. Minus I, minus I, minus I, benzoic acid. Okay. Which is stronger acid?
First one, ma'am.
First one. After that?
And then second, ma'am, and then third one.
Ganga, what do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is? Why second one?
Halogens do not have mesomeric effect, so it is closer. Meta position is closer to it.
Okay, okay, okay. Come on, come on. Very good. Both of you going well. Next question. Let us see. If anyone want to involve me, come on, you can raise your hand. But why I am not calling you? Because it will consume more time unmuting. That's why. Okay, already extended the time. That's why. Come on. CH3 is which group, Tendril?
Plus I, ma'am.
And hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation also. Toluene is there, right? Benzene with CH3. Okay, this one.
This is plus I, ma'am. No hyperconjugation.
Very good. Super. This one.
Plus I, ma'am. No hyperconjugation.
Huh? Even hyperconjugation, only at meta position, mesomeric and hyperconjugation won't be there. Ortho and para it will be there. What do you say? What do you say? Ortho and para it will be there. Okay, very good. Fine. Electron releasing group increases acidic character or decreases acidic character?
Decreases acidic character.
Decreases acidic character. Okay. Ganga, now you need to answer. In these two, which is more acidic? 1 and 4.
4 is more acidic, ma'am.
Super. Tendril, which is more acidic?
4, ma'am. 1 and on comparing.
Hansa Sherin, which is more acidic? 1 and 4.
4, ma'am.
4 is more
And
acidic.
hyperconjugation stable, so first one, ma'am.
Darshini, which is more acidic?
First one, I guess, ma'am.
1 and 4. Darshini.
Yeah, ma'am.
1 and 4, which is more acidic?
4, ma'am.
Very good. You all people super, but wrong answers. Why? Because. Why?
Hyperconjugation.
Because first structure ortho effect.
Okay, okay.
Ortho effect is electron releasing or withdrawing, irrespective of that. That is more acidic. See how you went into the trap of releasing group. I told you, no. I have given you this question also in ortho effect time. Do you remember? At ortho position, let it be any group releasing or withdrawing. That will be more acidic in character. So 1 and 4, which is more acidic?
1.
1. After that,
2.
after 4 only. 4 only. Because releasing group, see, I'll tell you the trend. First one is COH, electron releasing group is there or withdrawing group, anything. Ortho more acidic. After that, benzoic acid. Okay. Last is with the releasing group. Everybody clear? Releasing. Because releasing group, meta and para, if it is there, decreases acidic character. Releasing group should not be present. Okay. Tendril clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 1, 4. In this 2, Tendril.
Ma'am, 3.
1 minute. My question is, which is very good releasing group?
Ma'am, 2 and 3, ma'am.
Which is releases good? More effect of releasing.
I effect is good in 2, ma'am, but third one has hyperconjugation, so it will.
So that's why third one is having more electron releasing power, even though it is far. Two effects are operating. It is very good releasing group. Least acidic. Least acidic. Because it is having two releasing group. Are you able to catch up what I'm teaching you? Are you able to catch up? Okay, very good. Next. Fourth question. Fourth question.
Ma'am, younger sister.
1 is greater than 2.
Which is greater than? Electron withdrawing group is there. You don't care about electron withdrawing group? You care, you don't care.
But
First one is greater than
Ma'am.
second.
Tell me.
first one is greater than second.
Are you people sure? Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Very good. Correct answer. Ortho effect. Ortho effect. Ortho effect. Electron releasing or withdrawing doesn't matter. More acidic in character. Very good. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. NO2 is which type of group?
Minus M and minus I, ma'am.
Very good. Next, CH3 Ganga, which type of group?
Electron releasing group plus I, ma'am.
After that, hyperconjugation also. Okay. Hansa Sherin, OCH3 is which group?
Ma'am.
OCH3.
minus
Wait. Hansa Sherin. Plus M or minus M?
Minus M, ma'am.
Hey. Oh, tendril. Plus M or minus M?
Plus M, ma'am.
Plus M. Super. Lone pair is there. Plus M. Okay.
Yes.
11th class. Competition. Very good. Plus M. And oxygen is electronegative. Plus M or minus I? Tendril.
Minus I, ma'am.
Minus I. That's it. Oh. Chlorine. Hansa.
minus I, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Minus I. No mesomeric effect. Halogens. Only inductive effect. Okay. Now, based on this, Tendril, tell me it is a releasing group or withdrawing group?
Ma'am, withdrawing group, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Ganga, electron releasing or withdrawing?
Releasing group, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Hansa.
Withdrawing group, ma'am.
Wrong answer. Tendril.
Releasing, ma'am.
Why it is a releasing?
Resonance dominates in para position.
Very good. Mesomeric effect is always dominating than the inductive effect. Next, minus I. Electron withdrawing. Okay, done. Now, in all this, in which electron minus I is there? Here only minus I is there. So, which is a stronger acid?
First one, ma'am.
First one. After that,
After that,
where electron withdrawing is there?
sorry, ma'am. Fourth one.
Fourth one. Okay. In this two, which is a very good releasing group?
Third one.
Very good. Mesomeric effect is a very good releasing group. Plus M. Plus M is a very dominating releasing group, means least acidic. Least acidic. Everybody, how I'm solving, are you able to follow? Last 4 questions. 5 questions. Come on. CH3 is which type of group?
Plus I.
Still? Hyperconjugation. Toluene is there, means CH3 connected to benzene ring. Hyperconjugation also. Why hyperconjugation? Because double bond connected to sp3 carbon which is having hydrogen. Hyperconjugation. Okay. NO2 is which group? 3 of you, who will say first?
Minus I and minus M.
Minus I. Okay. Next, C double bond or CH3 which group?
Minus I.
Minus I plus M. Oxygen has
General.
And
C double bond O is which group?
minus M, I guess, ma'am.
Very good. Minus M and minus I. See, clearly I gave you. C double bond O group is in withdrawing group. In both the cases, minus M as well as minus I. What do you say, everybody? OCH3 is which group?
Minus I.
OCH3. Mesomeric plus or minus?
M plus M.
Plus M. Inductive?
Minus.
Minus I. Okay. Now, it is releasing or withdrawing?
Ma'am, both.
releasing group, ma'am. Electron releasing group.
Okay. Next one.
Electron withdraw.
Okay. Next.
Electron withdrawing group.
Okay. Next.
Releasing.
Electron releasing group.
Okay. Because mesomeric effect dominates. Correct? Fine. In this two, withdrawing, which is more acidic means what do you say? Here, NO2 is more acidic because your CH3 can compensate some electrons. So NO2 and C double bond to CH3, NO2 is a stronger withdrawing group. Are you getting my point? Why? Because of C double bond O is connected with the CH3 group. That's why second structure is more acidic than the third structure. After that, in these two releasing groups, mesomeric effect there means that is the least acidic 1/4 structure than the first structure. You got the clarity? Fine. Next one. Tell me which one more acidic?
First one.
Okay. Then?
Position. Then fourth.
Okay.
Then third and second.
Exactly wrong answer.
Ma'am, can I say?
Tell me.
Second and third.
Fourth,
Okay.
third.
Okay.
Ma'am. 1/4, third, second, ma'am.
1/4, third, second. Exactly wrong answer. Shall I tell you, everybody?
Third.
Whatever you say wrong only. Shall I tell you why? Write one point there. Ortho effect don't operate in phenols. Ha ha ha. Super no?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Write that. Write the point. Ortho effect don't operate in phenols. Trust me, it is painful to you attending the class 2 hours crossing, near to 2 hours crossing. It is painful, but it will give you the highest score. Only for today. Allow me. Allow me. Beyond your limits. Stretch little bit your brain capacity. You are the best already. You proved you are the best. Last another 10 minutes if you give, it is over. Just 50 minutes max. Come on. What you wrote there? Ortho effect don't operate in phenols. Very good. Super. Next. Then it is which effect? Tell me.
Inductive
Inductive
and hyperconjugation.
okay. Then this will be
Inductive, ma'am.
inductive. This will be
Inductive and hyperconjugation.
okay. Now which is more acidic?
First one, ma'am.
Fourth one.
Okay.
Why? Because electron releasing groups
Releasing.
decreases the acidic character of the phenol. Correct? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Electron releasing groups decrease. No worries. These mistakes will happen. That's why I'm doing one by one. Correct? No worries. No worry. Okay. Fourth one. After that, 1, 2, 3. Which is a very good releasing group? Which is very close and releases good?
First one.
First one. So shall I keep at last place because it's a very good releasing group. Next in these two, which is very good releasing group?
Third, ma'am.
Third. Shall I keep last? After that,
Second.
structure. So check out the order. Check it out the order. 4, 2, 3, 1. Super. Next. Okay. Tell me. NO2 is which group?
minus I and minus M.
Minus M minus I. Okay. NO2?
Minus ion.
Only minus I. Okay. Para position.
And minus I.
Very good. Minus M minus I. Okay. So which is very good releasing group? With very good pulling group.
NO2 in ortho position, ma'am.
Very good. So first structure. After that.
Third structure, ma'am.
Okay. After that.
Second structure, ma'am.
Super. After that.
Then one. Sorry, ma'am, fourth.
Do you understand? Here NO2 is very close. It is pulling the electrons faster, so more acidic. Even it is little close only, it should come next. No, but no. Why? Even though it is far, because two negative people are there. Even though they are far, two negative people pull the electrons. That's why third structure next to 2 and 4. But it is absolutely wrong answer. Huh? Exception. Exception. Right there, everybody. Phenol, when NO2 group is present at ortho position, it will show. Like this, you write. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular, without losing H+. Carboxylic acids is different. Carboxylic acids after losing H+, it showed. But phenol, before losing H+, it will show intramolecular H bonding. So it don't like to lose that much faster because of intramolecular H bonding. Exception. 3 comes to first position, 1 comes to 3 position. So 3, 1, 2 and then 4 is the correct answer. Check it out, check it out. 3, 1, 2, 4 is the correct answer. What is the reason? Due to intramolecular H bonding. Actually, it has to fire that H plus faster, but it don't fire that H plus that much faster due to intramolecular H bonding. Okay. Now, coming to the question number 9. How many nitro groups are present? Anyhow, it can form only one H bonding. It cannot form more than that. Not like CO2. Okay. So, here how many nitro groups? How many nitro groups? Ganga, Hansa, Sherin, how many nitro groups?
3.
3 nitro groups. Here how many?
1.
2.
2. Here how many?
1.
1.
1. So, which is more acidic?
1 is more acidic.
1 is more than
2,
2 and then
3,
3 and then
4.
4.
exactly
That's it.
correct answer. Very good, very good. Okay, very good. Next one. Question number 10 is my question. Question number 10 is my question. Listen, everybody. Here, there are two CH3 groups. These two CH3s repel each other. That OH group, this OH goes outside. Go out of plane. Why? Because two CH3 groups out of plane. Okay?
Ma'am, OH out of
Yes. Very good question. That is only one side that CO, if, what to say, bulkier group is there. Here, both the sides. Let's say, ma'am, I don't consider that out of plane only. Very good, super, don't consider. Now see here, these two CH3s pushes this NO2 out of plane. So NO2 comes out of plane, So, okay, ma'am, I don't consider this out of plane. I'll get a confusion if I consider this out of plane. Fine. Phenols you consider no SIR effect only. Safer. This NO2 is going out of plane because of this two CH3s which are pushing both the sides. When it goes out of plane, then NO2 effect won't be there on the phenol. So, but here NO2 effect will be there. It pulls the electrons. But here even though NO2 is there, it don't pull the electrons. So which is more acidic? First structure is more acidic. Tendril, explain what I am telling. Little difficult.
I'm confused.
You confused, na? Again, I'll explain everybody. See, here in this two, which is more acidic, you think that this is more acidic because CH3 groups are far. Here CH3 is a close, no, so it is less acidic, you will think. But no, even though this is close, this is only more acidic when compared to this because even though this is far, it pulls this NO2 out of the plane. So NO2, even though it is present, it is not present in the ring. It goes out of plane. So its effect is less. Its effect is less. Okay. It is beyond it. If you feel difficult, you can leave this question. Ravi Teja, what do you understand this question? Question number 10.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Why? What do you think? In these two, which is more acidic you are thinking? Normally.
Second one, ma'am.
Second one is more acidic. Why you are thinking second one is more acidic?
Because it is for no, ma'am. That's it.
With yes, very good. Ma'am, everything is same, ma'am. NO2, NO2. Phenol, phenol. Here CH3s are closer. Releasing group should not be closer. Releasing group should be far. So this is acidic. What do you think? What I'm telling was no. Whenever two groups are pushing their NO2 group due to repulsions go out of the plane. Means benzene is in one plane, NO2 is in another plane. So NO2 cannot pull the electrons from the phenol. So this is not there. In this it is there. So as electron withdrawing group is present in the structure, it is more acidic in character. Ravi Teja, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain one time.
Understood, ma'am.
You understood. Okay, explain in Telugu.
Even that CH3 group for means NO2 it will become out of the plane, ma'am. Then CH3 for also means it is
Usually
more
CH3s are very close means it is CH3 is close. Okay, here far. Far is only acidic in character because they are releasing. But here because of the ortho effects means two CH3s bulkier groups are pushing, both the sides are pushing that NO2 out of the plane. So even though NO2 is there, so now the comparison is between here phenol with NO2, two CH3 groups. Here NO2 not there, only phenol with the CH3s. Why NO2 is not there? It is going out of plane. So in this two, which is more acidic? First structure is more acidic. Okay. Ravi Teja, unmute. This is which group?
Electron withdrawing group minus I.
Minus I.
Minus
What
I.
about inductive?
Minus I.
minus I.
Minus I. Okay. This group CH3
Plus I.
Plus
plus
I.
what is
Hyperconjugation.
hyperconjugation? Okay. OCH3
Long pair
Minus I.
minus I.
plus M minus I. Thoroughly you need to practice, everybody. Table also I have given you. Plus M minus I, no confusion should be. Chlorine is which group, Tendril?
Minus I.
Yes, minus I, ma'am.
Minus I. Okay. Now Tendril, tell me, in this 4, this is which group?
Electron withdrawing.
Okay, this one?
Electron releasing.
Releasing.
Okay, next.
Releasing.
Releasing.
Okay, next.
Withdrawing.
Withdrawing.
Okay, now how many withdrawings are there? 2. In this 2, which is more acidic?
First structure, ma'am.
Why?
Minus M is more effective, ma'am.
Very good. Next, in this 2, which is a very good releasing group?
Second one, ma'am.
Second one.
Second or third? Third. Mesomeric plus M is there. Plus M is there. Very good electron releasing group. Plus M. Last position acidic character. Clear, everybody? Thorough practice. Don't leave this topic here. If it is needed, do one more time practice. One more time. Again you practice these questions. You want to attend evening? One more time you attend evening. Now, good. Good, 4 of you. Very good. Super. Come on, give me a big high five. Who and all able to do these questions? Come on. At least 50% if you are able to do also. Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. High five. Very good. Very good. Super. No SO2. Okay. Sana, Shalini, Nityapriya, Harini, Kirtan, others, Tahura, every one of you. Netra, Rishi, Salchim, everyone. Kirtana, done? Chaitanya, all of you. Gayatri, clear, clear. Everybody, are you able to follow? Are you able to follow? Shall I leave you for today? Shall I leave you? This is today's session. See you again in next session. Until that, keep smiling, keep shining. Have a nice day. Bye, love you. See you in next class. Huh? Take care.